Hey there, young artists! Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art, where we transform everyday elements into fantastic creatures. Today, we're venturing into the world of nature-inspired monsters, and we've got a hay bale monster that's ready to roll, quite literally. So let's dive in and bring this unique character to life. We're kicking things off by crafting a big, wide, and monstrous mouth. Revealing a set of gnarly teeth, both big and broken. Don't forget to add a cheeky peek of the tongue lurking behind those teeth. Next, we're giving our monster two big mismatched eyes, perched right above the mouth. Add a small bunch of hay to make it look like our monster's wild and untamed hair. Now, let's create the body of our hay bale monster using a hay bundle. This monster doesn't have arms or legs. It just rolls around like a hay bundle and leaves a trail of dried grass wherever it goes. Finish off the drawing by adding hay all over the monster's body, making it look like sharp needles. Don't forget to add lashes and more hay for that wild, unruly hair. Time to breathe life into our creation with colors. Add deep yellows to create texture and folds in the hay. Complete the body by covering it in warm yellows. Make the tongue a bright, attention-grabbing red. Color the teeth in a pale yellow shade. Finish off by adding hay pieces here and there, as if the monster is spreading hay wherever it rolls. And there you have it, our mischievous hay bale monster. I hope you had a blast creating this unique character as much as I did. Before we wrap up, if you enjoyed this video and the hay bale monster, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Easy Peasy Art for more exciting art adventures. Share your own monster creations in the comments below. We'd love to see your incredible ideas. Thanks for joining me today, young artists. Keep creating, keep exploring, and stay inspired.